Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix frozen iPhone. So first, recognize that your iPhone is frozen when it becomes unresponsive and stops reacting to your touch, volume button, side button and swipe up actions. To unfreeze your iPhone, follow these steps. First, if your volume button are working, press volume up button once, down once and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and shut it down. Now do not release the side button until you see the Apple logo, and after you see the Apple logo, you can let go of the side button, wait for your device to boot up completely. After booting, you can use your iPhone as usual and launch any app or perform any system action. Now, identify the app or issue that caused a freeze. If an app is unresponsive, consider uninstalling and reinstalling it from App Store or updating it from the latest version. Update your iPhone's iOS if any app is causing you problem and install it directly. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.